Okay, this video is for customers about you'll get a price list with cracks. Okay, so there's two options that I do. There's one that I hack them open, like this one here, because when the crack's fairly significant, I've got to hack it open. And the other one is just for running the Stanley knife blade too, which is your cheaper option, which is that one there. So you've got two. I'll send you two options. Like one is opening them up like that, because as you can see the crack running right straight away through there. You can't understand the knife through that, plus it was too big. Now the other option is hack off down to the brick. So if they start going like that, then that becomes square meterage rate. If it starts becoming quite wide like that one's touch and go. That's just your second option with a crack. You know, that can't be helped. But when it starts really coming off like that, then that starts falling under square meterage rate. Okay, so if we have a quick look around this job, just to give you an idea of price, I think there's approximately, I don't want to say, but I've wrote it down. I don't want to say the wrong thing, but I've gone round and I've seen there's quite a lot in here. You'll see there's quite a lot. They're in every single room. That's square meterage rate. That one. You see, I've done quite a lot, and it's not as easy as what you think. Just a case of hack off, because you have to sheet up, you've got to clean up behind yourself, hoover out vacuum out all the cracks so you don't get dust in there when you plaster. Just to point out before this video starts, that the reason why I price jobs like this and give people a price list, it's not laziness or out like that. It's just that you'll see as this video goes on, a job like this with cracks everywhere, it would be impossible to write down exactly what I'm going to do in each and every room, because every single room has got work to do in it. I'll be here forever doing quotes like this, and it's non-stop. I mean, where do you stop? And this way I just do what I think needs doing, and at the end of the day you come around and check it and see if there's any more. If you want me to carry on, I'll just carry on. So that's why I do it like this. And there's a lot of jobs that actually I've been round and quoted each individual crack in each individual room, and you know, some people don't get back to me, and it's like waste hours and hours of my time. So this way it's better for everyone, and I've done it. It's a fair price that works out good for me and the customer, so I don't end up underpricing jobs, and also don't end up overpricing jobs. And I've worked them out by trial and error, and yeah, it works out good for everyone. Okay, what you'll get on the end of your job is I go around and I put little sticky things on every single thing like that with a code you've got. So the codes are one for, you know, hacking over you know, up to like 5 centimeters wide, and the other one is just running the Stanley blade through it, 3 centimeters, which is code 2. I've got to write code 2 on there. I've got to measure these ones. And then you've got like your square meterage rate, which is number 3. So at the end, you can go around yourself and measure them up. I go around, measure them up, and I just calculate it, and there you go. So as you can see, look, there's like code number 2, and then okay, so back at this job this morning. That's that wall where that crack was. Don't know if you can see it. Maybe if I turn the light off you get a better view, but you can't see it. Okay, so that's been done. I plastered it in, and the wall has been painted this morning. Okay, so that's how I fixed the cracks on the wall.